Albert Einstein. The road less traveled to scientific greatness. Albert Einstein is a name synonymous with genius and groundbreaking scientific discovery. However, his journey to becoming one of the most iconic figures in science was far from straightforward. Contrary to popular belief, Einstein's path was not paved with immediate success, despite his extraordinary intellect. Instead, his journey was marked by numerous obstacles, persistent rejection, and moments of deep frustration. Many people are unaware of the significant challenges Einstein faced before attaining the fame and respect we associate with his name today. His story, especially the period when he struggled to secure employment for years after his education, offers profound lessons about failure, persistence, and how adversity can lead to extraordinary breakthroughs. After completing his studies, Einstein envisioned a clear and direct path into academia or research. With his remarkable talent for theoretical physics, he felt confident that opportunities would present themselves easily. However, reality proved to be quite different. For nearly 9 years, Einstein was unable to secure a stable academic position. This period was characterized by repeated rejections, a situation that could have easily discouraged many aspiring scientists. Imagine facing rejection after rejection for nearly a decade, constantly feeling overlooked despite your intellectual prowess. It's hard to fathom someone of Einstein's caliber struggling to find employment, but that was his reality. Einstein diligently applied for teaching roles, sought out research positions, and consistently encountered closed doors. His unconventional thinking and reluctance to conform to traditional academic norms worked against him in an environment that valued adherence to established practices. Ironically, these very traits, his nonconformity and willingness to challenge traditional ideas, would later revolutionize the world of physics. While his peers adhered to accepted theories, Einstein was pushing the boundaries, laying the groundwork for new scientific paradigms. During this period of professional rejection, Einstein took a job at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. At first glance, this role seemed worlds apart from the realm of scientific discovery. It was not the career path Einstein had envisioned, nor was it what most people would expect for someone with his talents. However, in this position, Einstein found unexpected freedom. The job was not particularly demanding, allowing him ample time to think and explore his ideas. While his contemporaries were climbing the academic ladder, Einstein was quietly reshaping the foundations of physics from the comfort of his office. Between 1902 and 1909, while working at the Patent Office, Einstein developed some of his most groundbreaking ideas. This period is now remembered as the time when Einstein laid the groundwork for his most significant contributions to science. Freed from the pressures and constraints of academia, Einstein had the intellectual freedom to explore ideas that were not bound by the scientific dogma of the day. This kind of freedom is rare and invaluable, allowing a thinker to pursue innovative concepts without the burden of external expectations. Then came 1905, a year that would later be celebrated as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year. Despite still being employed at the Patent Office, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that would forever change our understanding of the universe. One of these papers introduced the theory of special relativity, fundamentally altering the relationship between space and time. Another presented the equation E = mc², arguably the most famous equation in all of physics. These papers, written during what many might have considered a dead-end job, were nothing short of revolutionary. It's crucial to recognize that Einstein's intellectual triumphs did not emerge in isolation. They were the culmination of years filled with failure, frustration, and unwavering resilience. The repeated rejections from academic institutions did not stop him. Instead, they fueled his determination. Einstein refused to let the opinions of others define him or his work. His story is one of perseverance in the face of adversity, of refusing to accept defeat even when the world seemed to have turned its back on him. This narrative resonates deeply with many of us today, especially in an era where failure is often stigmatized and seen as something to be avoided at all costs. Einstein, however, understood a vital truth. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is an integral part of the journey toward it. Each rejection he faced provided him with more time to refine his ideas, question the status quo, and push the boundaries of what was possible. What's even more remarkable is that even after publishing his groundbreaking papers, Einstein's ideas were not immediately accepted. His theories were radical, challenging centuries of established scientific thought. Newton's laws had dominated the world of physics for hundreds of years, and many were reluctant to embrace Einstein's new concepts. It took time, years in fact, for the scientific community to fully appreciate the significance of his work. Yet, Einstein did not let the skepticism of others shake his confidence. He remained steadfast in his belief that his theories were correct, and eventually, the world caught up with him. This kind of self-belief, especially in the face of widespread doubt, is rare. It's one thing to believe in your ideas when everyone around you is supportive, but it's an entirely different challenge to maintain that belief when the world is telling you that you're wrong. Einstein's story teaches us that conviction in your own work, even when it seems like the world doesn't see it yet, is crucial to achieving success. Einstein's resilience extended beyond his professional life. His personal life was also fraught with challenges. His marriage to Mileva Merrick was tumultuous, and their relationship eventually ended in divorce. His relationship with his children was strained, and he often struggled to balance his personal responsibilities with his professional ambitions. Despite these personal difficulties, Einstein never lost sight of his work. He maintained an almost singular focus on the problems he wanted to solve, allowing him to continue pushing forward even when his personal life was in turmoil. This ability to separate personal hardships from professional ambition is something that sets Einstein apart from many others. It's easy to let life's challenges derail your work, but Einstein possessed an extraordinary capacity to compartmentalize. His dedication to his scientific pursuits never wavered, even when everything else seemed to be falling apart. This focus, this ability to keep moving forward despite everything, was key to his eventual success. Another crucial aspect of Einstein's success was his approach to failure. While most people see failure as something to be avoided, Einstein embraced it. He understood that failure is an essential part of the discovery process. Each time one of his ideas did not pan out, he did not see it as a defeat. Instead, he saw it as an opportunity to learn, to refine his thinking, and to get closer to the truth. This mindset was particularly evident in his work on general relativity. Einstein spent nearly a decade developing this theory, encountering numerous setbacks along the way. There were times when his calculations did not add up, when his ideas did not seem to fit the data, and when his theories were met with skepticism from his peers. But Einstein never gave up. He continued to work through the challenges, refining his ideas until in 1915, he finally published his general theory of relativity. This theory, which redefined our understanding of gravity, space, and time, stands as one of the most significant achievements in the history of science. However, it's important to remember that this success didn't come easily. It was the result of years of hard work, trial and error, and a deep understanding that failure is not something to be feared but embraced. Einstein's willingness to push through failure, to see it as a necessary step on the path to success, is one of the most important lessons we can take from his life. Einstein's story also underscores the importance of intellectual curiosity. Even while working at the patent office, far removed from the world of academic research, he never stopped thinking, questioning, and exploring. His curiosity about the fundamental nature of the universe never waned. And it was this curiosity that drove him to continue working on his theories, even when the world seemed uninterested in what he had to say. Curiosity, in many ways, is the engine of progress. It's the willingness to ask questions, challenge assumptions, and explore new ideas that lead to breakthroughs. Einstein's insatiable curiosity is something we can all aspire to, no matter what field we work in. It serves as a reminder that even when things aren't going our way, and we're faced with setbacks and challenges, we should never stop asking questions or seeking out new knowledge. In the end, Einstein's failures were not roadblocks. They were stepping stones. Each rejection, each setback, each failed experiment was a crucial part of his journey. Without those failures, he might never have developed the resilience, creativity, and determination that led to his greatest achievements. His story is a powerful reminder that failure is not something to be feared. Instead, it's something to be embraced because it's often the very thing that leads us to our most significant successes. Einstein's life teaches us that real success doesn't come easily or quickly. It's the result of years of hard work, persistence, and the ability to keep pushing forward, even in the face of adversity. It's about having the courage to fail, the determination to keep going, and the belief in your own ideas, even when the world doesn't seem to believe in you. Perhaps most importantly, it's about never losing sight of your curiosity, your passion for learning, and your desire to understand the world around you. As we reflect on Einstein's journey, we can draw inspiration from his unwavering commitment to his work and his ability to persevere through immense challenges. His story encourages us to embrace failure as a stepping stone to success, to maintain our curiosity, and to hold steadfastly to our convictions, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. In doing so, we not only honor Einstein's legacy, but also pave the way for our own personal and professional growth. Conclusion: Albert Einstein's journey is a testament to the power of resilience, curiosity, and unwavering belief in one's ideas. His struggles and eventual triumph remind us that the path to greatness is rarely smooth, but with determination and a willingness to embrace failure, extraordinary achievements are possible. As we navigate our own challenges, let Einstein's story inspire us to keep pushing forward, to never stop questioning, and to always believe in the potential of our ideas.